Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your WeChat account on a new device. This is something a lot of people run into when they get a new phone, and WeChat wants to make sure it's really you before letting you log in. When you try to log in on a new device, WeChat will show a message saying, "This is the first time logging in from this device. For your account safety, verify your identity first." To start, tap the Start to Verify button. You'll see 4 methods to verify your account. I'll walk you through the most common ones. The first method is Ask a Friend to Verify using Help Friend Login. This is useful if you no longer have your old phone. Tap this option and select a friend you trust. They will send you a temporary code through WeChat. You can let them know the code via phone, SMS, or email. If more than one friend is required, keep asking friends until the verification requirement is met and you'll be verified successfully. The second method is Verify via QR code. This works if you still have access to your old phone where WeChat was logged in. Tap the QR code option, then use your old phone to scan the code shown on your new device. Once scanned, the verification is completed and you can log in on your new device. There are also options like SMS verification and voice print verification. But note that voice print isn't available in regions like the US, Canada, UK, and EU countries. You can choose the method that works best for your situation. Once you finish any of these steps, your new device will be fully connected to your WeChat account and ready to use. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.